हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है कि आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। इन टुडेस वीडियो आई एम शेयरिंग माय रेसिपी ऑफ कैबेज करी, अ वेरी डिलीशियस रेसिपी. Watch the video till the end to get one incentive in the last. And yes, must try this recipe. At very first, separate the leaves of cabbage one by one very carefully. Try your best not to break them and just simply separate them from the joint from where they all are connected together or joined together. Now remove this thick stem from each leaf with the help of a knife. This step is same as we used to do in stems of taro root. After removing the stems, wash these leaves very carefully. After washing, dip them in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes one by one. After 10 to 15 minutes, take out these leaves from the hot water. This step will help the leaves to become little soft. Also, it helps to prevent any bacteria or pesticide or chemical sprayed on it. Now take 4 tablespoons of gram flour or besan. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of roast cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, 2 teaspoon of snack spice or chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, pinch of asafoetida or hing. Now mix this thoroughly. While mixing, keep on adding little water to it so as to make a fine paste, not very thin and not very thick, but a very fine one, as we used to make for the leaves of taro root. Now we will apply this paste to these leaves one by one thoroughly. We will apply the paste on one leaf, then we will put another leaf on it, and the process will be continued same. You all might have followed this for making taro root leaves. अरबी के पत्तों की जैसे भिंडी बनती है, same way a roll will be prepared. One by one, keep the cabbage leaves and apply this paste. For one roll, I have almost used 7 to 8 cabbage leaves. Now fold a little from the longer sides first and keep on applying little paste while folding. Now make a roll with tight hands and apply some paste if it seems it requires to join or to set it. And yes, make a roll with tight hands and apply the leftover paste to the upper side. Same way, make all the rolls and apply the leftover paste to the upper side. And yes, now these rolls are ready to steam. Now take a little oil on the fingers and apply the oil on a strainer, which we actually call chalni, so that the rolls will not get stick to it. Put these rolls in a strainer greased with oil. If you are having a steamer, well and good, otherwise use this strainer for steaming process. Heat the water in any vessel and put this strainer on that vessel. The water should not meet the strainer, and then cover it for 10 minutes to steam. After 10 minutes, open and turn these rolls so that they must be steamed from the other side too. Turn them very carefully, either using any spoon or tongs if possible. After turning these rolls, cover the strainer again for at least 10 minutes. After steaming, these rolls are ready. Firstly, cool them on a room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes and then keep them in a refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours to set. Now for gravy, grind 1 onion and 2 tomatoes. In cauldron or in any vessel, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Now add 1 slightly chopped onion and fry the onion till it changes its little color. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and add salt as per taste. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and onion tomatoes paste. Now mix it and add a little water, or take the water in the same bowl in which tomatoes onion puree was there and then add that water. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of curd. Now saute this for at least 10 minutes. Till then it is sorting, let's check our rolls. Our rolls are completely set. They are ready to cut. Let's cut them in this way. Same way as we used to cut taro root leaves. जिस तरह से अरबी के पत्तों की भिंडी कट होती है, same way we will cut these rolls in this manner. Now this gravy is perfectly sorted and our rolls are also cut. We will add here some water as per the consistency we want of our gravy. Cook this for at least 10 minutes on high flame. Till then it is cooking, we will fry our cabbage leaves on a pan. Do not deep fry them, just simply fry them on a pan from both the sides. Turning must be done very carefully because these leaves may somewhat open. As we are cooking them like taro root leaves, we are cooking them like arbi leaves, but their nature is different. They are not like them. Those leaves are different and these leaves are different. After frying, these leaves are ready. You can also have them with any chutney or sauce. They are very tasty. Otherwise, let's proceed with the next step. This gravy is ready. Turn off the flame, and after turning off the flame, one by one add these leaves into this gravy. Keep in mind the flame must be off. After adding all the leaves, turn the flame on and cook for 1 to 2 minutes only on low flame. After 1 to 2 minutes, turn off the flame, and guys, this delicious mouth-watering cabbage curry is ready. Either call it cabbage patore curry, cabbage curry, call it with any name. But this is very delicious. Must try it in your homes and comment me आपकी कैसी बनी. Okay friends, incentive for today is on overthinking as per your suggestion. See guys, overthinking arises when our iman is weak. That's why we suffer. When our iman is weak, we started thinking what's gonna happen to us next, what our future will be, when we will be employed, what our salary will be, when we will be married. But all these questions are useless. Just lay your trust in your prayers and Almighty. Do what you can. Leave no stone unturned. Try how harder you can. But leave the rest in the hands of Almighty, because it is only He who can change your situation. It is your prayer which can change your situation. When you feel like overthinking, try to connect your soul with Almighty and you will surely get the positive result. Okay friends, for more such incentives and recipes, please keep supporting Laiba's Little Life, and yes, Allah Hafiz, goodbye.